Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to another Science is Cool. Today I'll be demonstrating how to fix an electric fan. This electric fan has a problem. It's slowing down from time to time, and of course I need to fix this one. Probably it's the capacitor. Let me see if I could look into this capacitor, because if this electric fan is slowing down, there's a possibility that this electric fan has a problem with its capacitor. So let's stay away, shall we? Okay, all you need is to have tools, a flat screw and a screwdriver, and of course a pliers to cut things down. This is going to be a hilarious thing. I cannot pull out. Okay, there it is. So it comes handy. So as you can see, I put it out. Okay, let's try to remove the back cover. So of course it's counterclockwise. So it's already open. Let me see. Where is the capacitor? Oh, there is no capacitor here. Probably it's down below. The capacitor is not here. So let's try to open down below. Still counterclockwise. Then it should be popping up. Oh, let me get the flat screw. Okay, there it is. So it's open. Ah, there it is. Let's put this somewhere. So, as you can see, this is the capacitor. Okay, I have my other camera. I'm using actually 4 cameras right now. So, as you can see, I'm taking a picture. Why? This is very important, because if you have some errors, at least you have a picture to prove it, right? Take note, it is a 1.8 microfarad with 400 volts. Let's try to remove this one, okay? So directly to the power, which is the 220. Going to this. Then going to the. Okay, I need to remove the capacitor from the electric fan by using, of course, a soldering iron and a lead. The lead is just to know if it's already ready, but unfortunately it's not ready yet. So I'll just wait. Actually, I'm using this camera, that camera, that camera, and another backup cell phone camera. So I have 4 actually. So this one is my digicam, another digicam, as you can see. That's my digicam, and there is my other camera. It's recording right now. Okay, it's ready. It's smoking. Okay, let's remove it, shall we? Okay, it's already done. Let's try to unscrew it. Okay, where are you? It's still the uh, counterclockwise. Okay, there it is. It's already removed. Let me. So let's try to buy this one. Okay, I'm back from my adventure going to the electronics store. So this is the original one, and this is the new one that I bought, which is a little bit higher. So this is 1.8, and this one is 2 microfarad. Okay, so let's fix our electric fan. Remember, the yellow one is going to this one, and the red and brown is going to the other side. Let me see. This is the beauty of replay. It's clockwise, not counterclockwise anymore. Let's connect. The yellow. And then the other one, the red and brown. Okay, my hands are a little bit hot, so it's time to, okay, so I connected everything. As you can see, where is my camera? See, everything in place. Let's light up the electric fan. But before that, let's return the okay. Let's fire this thing up. Of course, the last one too. If it's gonna work or not. See, it works. So it works. And that's it for now. Catch another episode of Science is Cool next time. I'm Blair. I'm so excited. So see you in the next episode. So, ciao.